Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are at the carving tent and we are getting ready to carve up a big bear. You guys can see him here behind me. He's actually almost done, but you guys are going to join me and we're going to carve this guy start to finish. Make a bunch of sawdust. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell, and hit all. We're just over 16,000 subscribers. That's awesome. Love to see if we can get to 30,000 this year. See if we can almost double it. And I need your guys' help. So smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and let's start making some sawdust. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and share something with you that I'm pretty excited about, and that is this liquid biocell made by Modere. This is their sport formula. This stuff is awesome. This helps fuel physical and mental performance, promotes healthy joints, tendons, ligaments, muscles. This also boosts muscle recovery. I take this stuff twice a day, a shot in the morning and a shot in the evening. This is how I'm able to do carvings like this and many others non-stop, just continuously working throughout the day, running chainsaws, moving logs, all kinds of heavy lifting. And I wake up feeling great the next day. No aches, pains, pops. Honestly, my muscles feel great. So what is collagen? What is liquid biocell? What is collagen? This is basically the stuff that lubricates your joints. This is stuff that helps with muscle recovery. At the age of 25, we slow down the production of collagen, and then as we get older, we stop making it. Don't you wish you felt like you were in your 20s again? Pop out of bed, go for a run, you feel awesome. You're not like, oh man, aches, pains, and pops. This helps with that. For me, I wake up, I don't have any of that anymore. I feel great, feel like my joints, my muscles are in their 20s again, moving around, jumping around, feeling good. After a long, hard day's work, yeah, you're tired, but you don't wake up with that stiffness and that soreness in your bones and in your joints and in your muscles. So I'm sharing it with you guys because I really think you should check it out. I'll have a link for it down below in the description. You guys follow and purchase through our link. You get $10 off your order. And honestly, you help support us. We're promoting this stuff because we think it's an awesome product. We think this is a great company. And I say we because it's me and my wife. This is something we really enjoy taking. They got a lot of other great products on there as well. So be sure to check those products out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. So guys, here he is blocked out so far, getting ready to do that detail work. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. almost done. Some color around there. Let me know what you guys think so far. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all right? The only thing that's really left is his eyes, but I've got to bring him back to the shop for that, and then some clear coat. So he's a good sized bear. Big, beefy piece, heavy piece. Fun to carve. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video though. I'll try to get a final shot before we go. Appreciate you guys watching. Love you guys. Enjoy some videos popping up. Stay safe. Have an awesome week. Bye.